ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
Good morning. Good morning to all. This is my first video related to civil engineering and real estate business. I want to demonstrate the skills required for a civil engineer to become a good civil engineer in his tenure. First time, I am introducing myself. My name is HCM Swami, professor in civil engineering, and also I am working as a consultant in the area of structural and construction engineering. Today's discussion is related to construction sector in India and education for construction managers. I want to say two things here. First, I want to define what is a civil engineer is. So civil implicates it is a common intelligent vision in life. So we are using our common intelligence in the development of a country. How? That I am going to deliver in coming few seconds. First time, what I want to say, construction and national development. What is the important effects of civil engineering on construction and national development? When we are going to explain related to our budget, about 60% of the budget is related to construction industry. How this construction industry is affecting the economy is also very well known. Now we are facing plenty of recession, plenty of problems in construction industry because of corona, that is COVID-19. I want to discuss how to improve this situation in coming days. It is not an easy task because the economy is very weak in our country. If the construction industry is improving, then the economy of the country is also improving, because about 30 to 40% of the foreign exchange will be coming from the construction industry and its allied industries. Now, construction industry is the second largest industry in our country, other than agriculture. So when we are going to have a look on its implication, the construction industry employs more than 5% of the total population of the employed workforce. So try to imagine 5% of the total employment will be coming to civil engineering construction. So if you say regarding other aspects of construction, when you are going to have other related industries in related to civil engineering, there are plenty of other industries like the construction of dams, power, space and scientific research, education and culture, health, railways, roads, ports, inland water transport, civil aviation, tourism, water supply, sanitation, and house and building. All these industries are clubbed together in economy of the entire country will be around 50 to 60% from civil industry. So civil is the mother branch, because without civil engineering, infrastructure development will not exist. So I am proudly saying that civil engineers are the builders of nation. We are really interested to explain in coming videos what are the important aspects of civil engineering and its formulations in the construction and project management issues. So next point, construction sector employment generator. So I already told, total 20%, 5% is from the